Features and details. Capture the night in low light. Whether you're headed to a concert or romantic night out, there's no such thing as bad lighting with night mode. Galaxy S23 Plus lets you capture epic content in any setting with stunning nightography. High camera resolution. Create crystal clear content worth sharing with the 50MP high-resolution camera of Galaxy S23 Plus. Whether you're posting or printing, Galaxy S23 Plus always does the moment justice. Fastest mobile processor available. Whether you're working hard, playing hard, or doing both at the same time, smoothly switch between apps with our fastest processor ever. Unlock smooth gaming. Game at full throttle and smoothly switch between apps. Get more done with our fastest processor ever combined with massive internal storage. And if you're on the move, keep going with a screen that adapts to your environment. foryou keep moving you forward. Confidently binge watch, game or surf without worrying about your phone dying. The impressive 4,700 mAh battery will keep you going longer. More storage. More memories. You're good on storage space, with an impressive amount of storage. Starting at 256 GB, you can enjoy being behind the camera without the stress that comes with getting close to filling up your phone. Adaptive display. Watch your content comfortably as Adaptive Vision Booster helps your screen adapt to your environment. Whether out in direct sunlight or in bed with the lights off, the contrast on Galaxy S23 Plus's expansive screen still looks amazing. Convenient collaboration. Whether you're having a video meeting with your team or your friends, use Google Meet to start a video chat on your tab and then continue the call on your phone as you head out the door. Quick share. Send even your largest files, whether it's cute puppy videos or work documents, between your Galaxy S23 Plus and any iOS or Android device. Quick share helps minimize frustration when sharing the epic